Cherry white with courage inside. Praying each night while you serve with pride. God and family.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes,
Do you have time now, like 15 minutes?
15 minutes.
Yes, we are studying English right now, and we want to guide you for this Asakusa area for free. Is this okay?
You want to guide us for free?
Yes, for our practicing English.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Good.
Okay.
What do I think about Tokyo?
Yes, that's right.
Well, we just arrived last night, and so this is our first outing of today. We have not done like Shibuya crossing yet or anything. This is our first stop. We've only been here a little while, so we really haven't had a chance yet to like really go around and see Tokyo yet, but hopefully pretty soon. What do you think about Tokyo? How long have you lived?
Because I was born in Tokyo like 19 years ago, and yeah, I was raised there. So I think Tokyo is a really awesome place. You know, it's good for tourist sites, and also we have a lot of attractive places like this temple as well.
Super clean.
Yeah.
Super clean, yes. Oh, I gave it to him, that's why. He has it.
Oh yeah.
He has the shadow.
Moment. This one.
So this is nice to have the students practice their English with us, and it's an experience for them. We just really wanted to help them, so I said yes, we wouldn't mind them spending a little bit of time with us. So that was a nice thing.
First, on this shopping street is one of the oldest shopping street in Japan.
Okay.
And you can buy like sweets and fun stuff and like traditional things in here. Did you buy something here?
We did not buy anything yet. We walked down and just, looked around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Wait, where are you guys? Wait, let's see. Okay, hold on. Okay.
You know this smoke?
What is the smoke?
If you put on your like hurt place in your body, it will be cured.
Oh,
And also you put this smoke in your head, you can be smart.
really? I better take a lot of it then.
So a lot of Japanese people doing like this.
Okay.
If you want to. This pagoda is three stories pagoda.
Okay. I'm missing. I can't see it good. Oh, so beautiful. Yes.
It was rebuilt as a 5 period pagoda. During the restoration of the tower, the temple managed to raise money by building scarf for visitors and allowing them to climb up to the roof to the attic.
Okay.
And the pagoda is earthquake resistant. Even during major earthquakes, only some roof tiles fell and the structure did not collapse.
Structure did not collapse. Or there was an earthquake. Okay. It's a beautiful pagoda. It's called Pagoda, and it's 5 stories. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. It's a beautiful pagoda. First, we're gonna start here.
Hello, my name is Hanika and my university is Chuo University. My major is European history.
European history.
Welcome to Japan.
Yay!
My name is Tatsuki. I'm from Chuo University, and my major is social linguistics. I'm the second year student.
My name is Yuto.
Yuto.
Komazawa University. My major in management.
I'm Sora. My university is Komazawa. I major in
qualities. Thank you. Hi, I'm Riko. I'm also in Komazawa University. My major is applied science. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Kaisi Yamaguchi. I'm Unicorn University student. I major in transportation system engineering. My hobby is listen to old Western music, such as Beatles.
Yay!
Nice to meet you.
Thank you guys very much for taking us around and showing us.
Brought us closer each day. Side by side, step by step, we grew. Across the miles, my heart chose you.